Welcome to our fascinating journey into the animal kingdom. A world teeming with diverse life where survival is paramount. Over millions of years, animals have evolved astonishing and often bizarre ways to defend themselves from predators. Today, we uncover some of the most unexpected and extraordinary defense mechanisms in nature. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and sheer strangeness of the natural world. From the depths of the oceans to the heart of the rainforest, the fight for survival has resulted in truly remarkable adaptations. Join me as we delve into the intriguing world of animal defenses, where the line between the bizarre and the brilliant is often blurred. High above the African savanna, a flock of vultures circles effortlessly. These majestic birds of prey, often misunderstood, play a vital role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. They are nature's cleanup crew, feasting on carrion and preventing the spread of disease. But even these scavengers, with their sharp beaks and powerful digestive systems, have enemies. Imagine a hungry predator approaching a group of vultures feasting on a recent kill. The vultures, sensing danger, react instinctively. With a convulsive heave, they eject the contents of their stomachs towards the threat. This vomit, a foul-smelling concoction of partially digested carrion, acts as a powerful deterrent. The stench alone is enough to send most predators running for the hills. But the vomit also has another, more strategic purpose. The sheer force of the expulsion can startle and disorient the attacker, giving the vultures precious seconds to take flight. The effectiveness of the vulture's vomit defense lies in its chemical composition. Carrion, the mainstay of the vulture's diet, is already in a state of decomposition, teeming with bacteria. The vulture's stomach acid, highly corrosive to break down tough flesh and bones, further enhances the potency of this noxious cocktail. When ejected, the vomit becomes a projectile weapon capable of burning the eyes and nostrils of an attacker. This painful experience serves as a harsh lesson to any predator foolish enough to target a vulture. The vulture's vomiting defense might seem crude, even repulsive, but it highlights the lengths to which animals will go to survive. In the harsh realities of the wild, where every meal is a struggle and every encounter could be your last, such adaptations are crucial for survival. The vulture, with its projectile vomit, reminds us that nature's solutions are often as effective as they are unexpected. In the arid regions of the American Southwest, amongst the cacti and sun-baked rocks, lives a creature with a truly remarkable defense mechanism. The Texas horned lizard, a master of camouflage, blends seamlessly with its surroundings. But when faced with a predator, this unassuming reptile transforms into a master of self-defense. Employing a tactic that seems straight out of a science fiction movie, it squirts blood from its eyes. Imagine a hungry coyote, its keen senses alert to the slightest movement. It spots the horned lizard, seemingly an easy meal. But as the coyote approaches, the lizard inflates its body, making itself appear larger and more formidable. If this display of bravado fails to deter the predator, the lizard resorts to its secret weapon. With a sudden burst of pressure, it constricts the blood vessels in its head, forcing blood to shoot out from the corners of its eyes. These jets of blood, aimed with surprising accuracy, can reach distances of up to 5 feet. The blood-squirting mechanism of the horned lizard is a marvel of physiological adaptation. When threatened, the lizard increases the pressure in its sinuses, which in turn restricts blood flow from the head. This builds up pressure in a network of blood vessels surrounding the eyes. Muscles surrounding these vessels then contract forcefully, like squeezing a water balloon, propelling the blood outwards with considerable force. The blood itself contains a foul-tasting chemical compound, adding another layer of deterrence to this already impressive defense mechanism. The blood-squirting display of the horned lizard is not only a visual spectacle, but also a highly effective deterrent. The sudden spray of blood aimed at the predator's face is often enough to startle and confuse the attacker, giving the lizard a chance to escape. The foul taste of the blood adds to the predator's discomfort, further discouraging pursuit. This remarkable adaptation highlights the ingenuity of nature in equipping even the most seemingly vulnerable creatures with extraordinary means of self-preservation. Deep within the humid rainforests of Southeast Asia, a silent drama is about to unfold. This is a world teeming with life, where every inch of the dense foliage hides a myriad of creatures, each playing its part in the intricate web of the ecosystem. An ant colony, a marvel of intricate tunnels and chambers, bustles with activity. These industrious insects have created a complex society, where every ant knows its role and performs it with unwavering dedication. Thousands of ants, each with their designated role, work tirelessly to ensure the colony's survival. From foraging for food to tending to the young, every task is crucial for the well-being of the colony. But danger lurks in the shadows, a predator with its sights set on the ant's precious larvae. The jungle is a perilous place, and the ant colony must always be on high alert. It could be a hungry spider, a foraging beetle, or any number of other predators that roam the forest floor, each one a potential threat to the colony. Or even another ant species drawn by the promise of a nutritious meal. Territorial conflicts are common, and the ants must be prepared to defend their home against these invaders. For these ants, defense is not just about individual survival, it's about protecting the colony at all costs. The colony's future depends on their ability to fend off threats and ensure the safety of their young. And they have evolved a most extraordinary and rather dramatic method of defense. This unique strategy is a testament to the lengths these tiny warriors will go to protect their community. When faced with an overwhelming threat, these ants will make the ultimate sacrifice, detonating themselves in an explosive act of selflessness. This act is not just a random burst of aggression, but a calculated move to protect the colony. The explosion, while appearing gruesome, is a carefully orchestrated act of chemical warfare. The ants have evolved this mechanism to ensure that their enemies are met with a deadly surprise. Within the ant's abdomen lie two large glands filled with a corrosive mixture of chemicals. These glands are the key to the ant's explosive defense mechanism. When the ant senses danger, it contracts its abdominal muscles with such force that the glands rupture, spraying the toxic cocktail in all directions. This sudden release of chemicals can incapacitate or even kill the predator. This act of self-sacrifice, while fatal for the individual, can be enough to deter even the most determined predator. The chemical explosion creates a barrier that protects the colony from immediate harm. The sacrifice of these brave individuals ensures the survival of the colony and the continuation of their genetic lineage. Their selfless act is a powerful reminder of the importance of community and cooperation. It is a testament to the power of collective survival, where the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. In the end, it is this unwavering commitment to the colony that allows these ants to thrive in the face of constant danger. The explosive defense mechanism of these ants, while seemingly simple, is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Over millions of years, these tiny creatures have developed a sophisticated system that allows them to protect their colonies from predators and rival ants. The chemical cocktail contained within the ants' glands is a potent mixture designed to inflict maximum damage on their enemies. This mixture is not just a random assortment of chemicals, but a carefully balanced formula that has been honed through countless generations. The primary component of this deadly concoction is a sticky, corrosive substance that can burn through exoskeletons and irritate soft tissues. This substance is incredibly effective at neutralizing threats, quickly ensuring the safety of the colony. This primary compound is often mixed with other chemicals depending on the ant species. Each species has its unique blend, tailored to its specific needs and the types of threats it commonly faces. Some species produce a blinding spray, disorienting their attackers. This spray can cause temporary blindness and confusion, giving the ants a crucial advantage in a confrontation. Others release a pheromone cocktail, a chemical alarm signal that alerts nearby ants to the threat, summoning reinforcements to the scene. This rapid communication system ensures that the colony can mount a coordinated defense. The effectiveness of this chemical weaponry lies not only in its potency, but also in its method of delivery. The ants have evolved to deploy these chemicals in a way that maximizes their impact. The force of the explosion ensures that the chemicals are dispersed over a wide area, maximizing the chances of hitting the intended target. This wide dispersal is crucial in ensuring that multiple threats can be neutralized simultaneously. The sticky nature of the chemicals further amplifies their effectiveness, clinging to the attacker and prolonging their agonizing effects. This stickiness ensures that the chemicals remain in contact with the threat for as long as possible, increasing their lethality. This extraordinary defense mechanism, while appearing brutal, highlights the lengths to which creatures will go to ensure their survival in the ruthless arena of the natural world. It is a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of ants, showcasing their ability to thrive in even the most challenging environments. While the image of exploding ants may seem like a scene from a science fiction film, the reality is even more fascinating. These ants, belonging to the genus Camponotus, have developed a unique and extreme form of defense. When threatened, they contract their abdominal muscles so forcefully that their bodies rupture, releasing a sticky, toxic substance that can immobilize or even kill their attackers. This self-sacrificial act ensures the survival of the colony, showcasing the lengths to which nature will go to protect its own. This remarkable defensive strategy is not unique to ants. In fact, the insect world is full of creatures that have evolved extraordinary methods to protect themselves and their colonies. Several other insect species have evolved similar, albeit less dramatic, methods of self-detonation. These methods often involve the release of chemicals that can deter or harm predators. Take, for instance, the bombardier beetle, a master of chemical warfare in its own right. This beetle has a highly specialized defense mechanism that involves the precise release of a boiling hot chemical spray. When threatened, the bombardier beetle unleashes a scalding hot chemical spray from its abdomen, aimed with astonishing accuracy. This spray can reach temperatures close to the boiling point of water, making it a highly effective deterrent against predators. The spray, a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinone, undergoes a rapid chemical reaction when combined with enzymes in a separate chamber within the beetle's abdomen. This reaction generates intense heat and produces a loud popping sound, further startling and deterring potential threats. This reaction generates intense heat, reaching the boiling point of water, and produces a loud popping sound. The combination of heat, sound, and chemical irritation makes the bombardier beetle's defense one of the most sophisticated in the insect world. Another fascinating example can be found in a group of termites inhabiting the rainforests of French Guiana. These termites have developed a unique form of defense that involves self-sacrifice for the greater good of the colony. These termites, known as exploding termites, possess a specialized caste of older workers willing to sacrifice themselves for the colony. These individuals are essentially walking bombs, their bodies packed with a blue copper-rich protein. These individuals are essentially walking bombs, their bodies packed with a blue copper-rich protein. When under attack, these brave termites rupture their bodies, releasing the toxic protein that gums up and immobilizes their attackers. When under attack, these brave termites rupture their bodies, releasing the toxic protein that gums up and immobilizes their attackers. This act of self-sacrifice, while appearing gruesome, is a testament to the power of collective defense in the animal kingdom. This act of self-sacrifice, while appearing gruesome, is a testament to the power of collective defense in the animal kingdom. It highlights the incredible adaptations that insects have developed to survive in a world full of predators. From exploding ants to chemical-spraying beetles and self-destructing termites, the insect world is a fascinating and complex realm of survival strategies. The explosive defenses of ants and other insects provide a captivating glimpse into the extraordinary diversity of life on Earth. These remarkable adaptations, honed over millions of years of evolution, highlight the power of natural selection in shaping even the smallest and seemingly insignificant creatures. The evolution of self-detonation as a defense mechanism is a testament to the ingenuity of nature. It demonstrates that even in the face of overwhelming odds, life finds a way to persist and thrive. These creatures, often overlooked in the grand scheme of things, remind us that the natural world is full of surprises and that there is always more to discover if we only take the time to look. The next time you encounter an ant colony, take a moment to appreciate the intricate workings of this complex society. Remember that beneath their seemingly mundane existence lies a world of remarkable adaptations, including the ultimate act of self-sacrifice in defense of the colony. From vomiting vultures to exploding ants, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze with its bizarre and often unsettling defense mechanisms. These adaptations, as peculiar as they may seem, are a testament to the power of natural selection and the endless creativity of evolution. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure exploring the strange and wonderful world of animal defenses. We've journeyed through rainforests, deserts and grasslands, encountering creatures both familiar and bizarre. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more incredible animal facts. Until next time, stay curious.